Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday. We are on Unit 4, Week 6, Day 1 on our morning work. So, number 1, we're going to edit and write each sentence correctly. We're going to circle the adverbs. Remember, adverbs tell more about a verb. So, number 1 says, together, we can quickly find a clue. Fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Pause your video, do number 1. Number 2, who is very new? Same thing, fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Pause your video, do number 2. Daily math review, no explanation needed there. But we've got some story problems, 2 of them today. It says Gene has 37 fewer Legos than Brad. Brad has 88 Legos. How many Legos does Gene have? So we need to find the difference between Brad's Legos and Gene's Legos. And so remember, whenever we're trying to find the difference, right, that means we're going to subtract. And so we're going to subtract the smaller number 37 from the larger number 88, which is what they've already done for us here. We just need to rewrite it off to the side where we have space and go through the subtraction to find the answer, to find out how many Legos Gene has. Pause your video, do number 8. Number 7, Betty drew a chalk line several feet long. Melissa added 5 more feet to the chalk line. Then the chalk line was 16 feet long. How many feet long was the chalk line Betty first drew? Same thing, we're going to find the difference, right? To figure out how long the chalk line was to begin with, we have to figure out how long was it to end. It was 16 feet. And then we're going to subtract 5 feet because that's what Melissa added to Betty's line. And so if we do 16 minus 5, it'll tell us how many feet Betty drew to start. So that's the answer for there and there. Pause your video, do number 7. Number 8, Dale's electric toy car is 2 yards long. David's electric car is 2 meters long. Whose car is longer, and how do you know? So let's go ahead and skip number 8. I think that was going to be hard for you to visualize without a meter stick, but we'll talk about it when I come back through and correct. Number 9, write the correct time 3 ways. So you're going to write the analog or the digital time, blank minutes till blank hour, and then blank minutes after blank. Let's go ahead and pause your video, do number 9. All right, let's start checking from the beginning if you're ready. Number 1, together we can quickly find a clue. First thing I notice is we need a capital. Together we can quickly, spelled correctly, find a clue is spelled incorrectly. C-L-U-E. Then I'm going to rewrite it nice and neat on the line. All right, it looks good. We'll come back for the adverb. Number 2, who is very new? New is spelled wrong. N-E-W. This period is actually should be a question mark because it's asking something. And then we're going to rewrite it nice and neat. All right, now we're going to go find the adverbs. So let's see. So in this sentence, find is what we're going to do. That's the verb. So the way we're going to find it is we're going to find it quickly. So quickly is the adverb. Next one, let's see. Who is very new? So we're looking for the adverb for this one. Let's see. Very describes new, so very. And that's one of those few that doesn't have ly at the end of it. All right, we're going to continue. Daily math review. 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 10 plus 2 is 12. And 5 plus 9 is 14. All right, I explained this one. We're finding the difference in their Legos. So let's see. That's going to be 1, 5, so 51. So Gene has 51 Legos. Brad has 88. And the difference between their Legos is 37. All right, so this chalk line one, 16 minus 5 is 9. Whoops, no, not 9. 11. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, so that means Betty's line was 11 feet long. Melissa added 5 more feet, and then she had a 16-foot chalk line. Number 8. So this one I told you didn't have to do because so you guys have probably seen a meter stick or a yardstick in your teacher's classrooms before. And so the cool thing about a meter stick and a yardstick is they're like almost exactly like the same, right? When you actually compare them, flip them over, because one side has meters, one side has a yard or inches and centimeters. They're almost exactly the same. So whose car is longer? They're actually about the same. They are the same. And then it asks, how do you know? Well, I know because a meter is almost equal to a yard. All right, time. Hour 7. Actually, no, it's almost 7, so it's still 6 because the minute hand hasn't made it to 12. When the minute hand makes it to the 12, it'll be 7. So it's 6, and then o'clock, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So it's 6:55, almost 7. So it's 5 minutes, right? In 5 more minutes, it'll be 7. It's 5 minutes till 7. And then it's 55 minutes after 6. All right. We are all done with our morning work for today. Good luck with the rest of your assignments.